South Sudan, the world's youngest country, newly independent after 20 years of devastating civil war. Over more than 2 decades, 2.5 million people died and more than 4 million displaced. The impact upon ordinary people, particularly the most vulnerable, was catastrophic. With their villages burnt out by government-backed militias, many walked thousands of miles to escape to refugee camps in neighbouring countries. Although peace has now come to South Sudan, the country has some of the worst health conditions anywhere. Around 15% of pregnancies result in the mother's death, and 1 in 7 children do not live to their 5th birthday. Tragically, children die from diseases that are easily preventable. Even in large towns, basic healthcare is prohibitively expensive, with families often having no access to medical help or treatment of any kind. A team from Poole Hospital in the UK has been visiting the main hospital in the northern city of Wau for the last 2.5 years. Hilary Fenton Harris is the coordinator of the Poole Africa Link.
During the last visit, I was very sad that 3 ladies died there that really wouldn't have died in the UK. One was suffering from eclampsia, a complication of pregnancy, another from anemia, and another from other complications of her labour. We saw 2 other babies die. One died from malaria and one died from the complications of DMV. It's always sad when a baby dies, but even sadder when you know that with good access to healthcare and education, that death could have been prevented.
Anglican International Development, known as AID, is a UK charity that has been carrying out development in South Sudan for over 3 years. This year, we are planning to extend our current work with our established groups into healthcare, providing training, education and basic treatment. We will also work with clinics close to where our groups are based, making sure they can offer affordable treatment that will meet the needs of those who require more help. At AID, we are looking for individuals to partner with us in this important and vital work. If you're interested in getting involved, please see our website or contact us for further information.